Today I will tell you how to speak in English language, and English language is very fine and amazing language, and I like this because everyone who wants to speak language like English and they do not practice it, they do not listen videos, they do not listen English videos, they do not watch movies, English movies, especially the movies which are in English language, the videos which are in English language. You have to watch a lot, you have to watch a lot of video, you have to watch a lot of movies, and eventually you will be able to understand English language, and eventually you will be able to speak English language. And other way is that you should learn constantly. You should learn what is that meaning of that, what is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of that, what this person is saying, what this person is using, which words this person is using. This is and all. You have to constantly remind yourself that you want to learn English language, and you have to take words from everywhere, not from one class, not from one point, not from one video, but from everywhere. When you start watching videos on YouTube, on online platforms such as Instagram, or especially on YouTube, when you start watching podcasts in English language, when you start watching shorts in English language, when you start watching videos in English language, YouTube will automatically recommend you to watch English videos, and when you will watch them, more English videos will appear in your feed, and eventually you will be able to understand them. Eventually you will be able to think in English language, and eventually you will be able to speak in English language. And you have to practice it. Without practicing it, you cannot achieve your goal of English speaking. Without practicing it, you cannot achieve the goal to speak it with clarity, because you have to speak up, you have to speak with yourself when there is no one around, you have to speak with yourself when you are alone, you have to speak and practice in front of mirror, you have to practice in front of camera, you have to practice everywhere. Just put it online and see what people see what people see, and see what people say about you. You have to practice it, you have to understand it, and eventually the English will be coming out of your mouth, and constantly you will be able to speak English language without any hesitancy. And this is my guarantee to you. If you do it for 1 year or 6 months constantly, and if your goal is one, you have to learn English. Absolutely, you will learn English language. And another thing you have to do, practice public speaking. And if you do not have anywhere you can practice public speaking, speak with your family. Even if they don't understand English language, you have to speak with them. Even if they don't understand, you have to speak with them. Even if they don't understand, speak with them. I'm repeating this again and again because you should understand this. Even if they don't understand, repeat in front of them whatever you want to say, whatever you want to express. Even if they get bored, what are you talking, stop this rubbish, whatever they say, just continue speaking in English language, because you have to practice it. You have to practice it, otherwise you will lose it, otherwise you will not going to achieve it. Or you can watch perfect classes, online videos where we teach English language, and I will upload constantly about English language. I will upload English videos in complete English language, so you can understand it, so you can try to understand it, so you can able to listen it, so you will even listen to me carefully. Even if you think that I will not understand English language, this is your dilemma, this is your illusion. You have to understand this. You can do it. You have to believe in yourself, and you will be able to do it. Believing is the first part, and achieving is the second part. Believing is the first part, and achieving is the second part. Thank you very much. This is Sayyid Naveed. I run perfect classes, Mehkar, Buldhana district. You can come to our offline classes for learning English, and you can also join our online class for learning English. Thank you very much.